What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best budget dash cams in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Thinkware F70 is our pick for the best budget dash cam of 2023. It's a great choice for drivers who need an unobtrusive camera that delivers decent quality recordings. It records in 1080p at 30 FPS and can be paired with an optional GPS unit for features like speed and location tracking, as well as speed camera and mobile safety alerts. The F70 is cylindrical in shape and weighs just 42 grams, making it discreet enough to set on your windshield without drawing too much attention. It comes with an adhesive mount that makes it slightly difficult to move once attached, but you can still pull the F70 out of its mount if you wish to transfer it elsewhere or put it away. You can use PC Viewer to program the settings of your dash cam, such as brightness levels, language options, security alerts, parking modes, etc. Once wired, which must be done professionally through the RAC website, the F70 automatically goes into park mode when the ignition is off, so any movement or shock detected will be logged in the event of a collision. To save battery consumption during longer periods away from your car, such as vacations, you can set up power saving mode, which puts the camera into sleep mode until an impact is detected, in which case it'll record for 20 seconds before returning to sleep mode again. The F70 allows for manual recording via a click of the red rec button, as well as motion detection, power saving, continuous recording, and incident recording modes. Additionally, forward vehicle departure warning alerts are available, which notifies drivers when traffic ahead starts moving. The recorded footage looks clear even on large computer screens, and each 8GB micro SD card included in the box can store up to 124 minutes before looping back over itself and deleting earlier videos to make room for new ones. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The Viofo A119 V3 is a great budget dash cam to consider in 2023. It packs valuable features and quality video that provides value for money. The wedge-shaped design makes it hug the windshield and less obtrusive than cameras with intake mounts, which can easily be hidden behind the rearview mirror. When you want to take it off, the camera slides easily off the adhesive mount, and since the USB cable plugs into the GPS mount instead of connecting directly to the camera, there's no need to pull out wires. Equipped with a Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor, it can record 2560 by 1440 videos at an impressive 30 FPS, or 1920 by 1080 at 60 FPS. With an f1.6 lens and 140-degree field of view, this dash cam will offer crisp images even when paused, plus brighter night vision than most rivals, so you can make out license plates on nearby vehicles too. Although Wi-Fi isn't included, it's usually much faster to connect to your laptop or use a card reader than wait for large video files over Wi-Fi control apps. It also supports micro SD cards up to 256GB for more hours of saved footage before old files are overwritten. Unlike some dash cams that only record at slow frame rate while parked, this one uses supercapacitor instead of battery, meaning you'll need an external power supply if you want to use parking modes such as buffered parking mode, which starts recording 15 seconds before motion is detected and up to 30 seconds after. A polarizer lens can also be added on top of the A119 or CPL model features for older V3 models, helping reduce reflections from windshields, meaning greater image quality with increased contrast. However, if hiding the device behind your rearview mirror is not your style, then Viofo also offers this model in sleek black casing, which looks much better exposed in plain sight inside your car cabin. Meanwhile, its controls are easy enough to handle with 5 simple buttons alongside its 2-inch display screen that lets you adjust settings quickly and simply, although these may appear slightly challenging when hidden away from plain view within car compartments. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The Rexing V1 4K, also known as the best 4K budget dash cam of 2023, is a great option if you're looking for an effective security camera. Its size and shape make it better suited for windshield mounting than many other models. Plus, it takes high-definition pictures, decent sound, and is generally a reliable device. It has all the features you'd expect from a dash cam, like loop recording and collision detection, plus some unique ones like time-lapse recording. Unlike many popular dash cam models, the V1 doesn't look like a point-and-shoot camera that hangs from your windshield. Instead, it's angled to match the curve of the glass for an integrated look. This design offers easier access to the control panel and improves the viewing angle of the screen. Mounting this camera in your car only requires a mount that attaches to the windshield with adhesive tape, which works very well, making installation and removal easy. The 2.7-inch screen on this dash cam may be among the smallest out there, but has an impressive resolution of 2160p, so that all icons, menus, and videos are visible up close. Additionally, it includes an internal accelerometer used to detect impact during accidents, as well as GPS capabilities. The user manual for installing the Rexing V1 is clear and detailed, so no need to worry about any difficulties there. Also included with this dashcam is a 32GB micro SD card, which saves users money from having to buy one separately. However, no micro SD card adapter is provided if you want to view footage on your computer. When we reviewed images captured by the Rexing V1, they were detailed and clear. Signs were legible, videos showed what was happening while driving in cities perfectly. Plus, loop recording meant recordings were spliced into manageable chunks instead of one long file. The user can set intervals at 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, depending on preference. When memory card capacity is full, then oldest files will automatically be overwritten by new ones. Thanks to its internal accelerometer, it can even detect accidents while driving and lock video footage from being overwritten then too. Thumbs up, that's for sure. And now we present to you this silver medal and the title of the best runner-up budget dash cam in 2023. We're talking about the Nextbase 222, a control camera with full HD image quality. The Nextbase 222 is an award-winning budget dashboard camera that is sure to keep your car safe in 2023. Its full HD image quality with 720p resolution at 60 fps or 1080p HD at 30 fps captures details with clarity and crisply, complemented by its wide 140-degree viewing angle for maximum visibility. It's equipped with several utility functions to help you record vital road safety information, such as parking mode and a G-sensor for recording impacts in the event of an accident. The night mode ensures it still provides video surveillance during darkness, while the built-in polarizing filter reduces glare and reflections from the windshield. Installation couldn't be easier, with both adhesive and suction mounts included, plus a click-and-go bracket, which even has its own power supply, so no need to connect it to a plug socket. Intelligent parking mode activates automatically when the ignition is switched off, enabling 3 minutes of recording if any movement is detected near the car. Lastly, My Nextbase cloud storage makes it simple to send files directly from your phone or PC. Each video uploaded there will be hosted for free for 30 days before permanently deleted unless resaved elsewhere. This dashcam also offers a 2.5-inch screen for easy navigation and file management, plus micro SD card storage for use on computers or cloud platforms like mynextbase.com, making this unit one of the best budget recommendations. With top-notch performance, reliable security features, and an affordable price tag, the Nextbase 222 is sure to make your driving experience more secure and enjoyable than ever before. All in all, this is one quality product that receives our highest recommendation. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall budget dash cam in 2023, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. If you want the smallest and most discreet camera on the market, this is it. Barely the size of a key fob, this model eschews features like a touchscreen in favor of its ultra-compact form factor. Despite its solid size, it records in full HD resolution at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens. This makes it among the best value for money available. Sticking to its current design, the Dashcam Mini 2 is extremely compact and comes with only 2 buttons, one on the side which turns audio recording on or off, and another on back which manually records videos of your surroundings as you drive. A memory card must be supplied separately as this model does not include one. However, it supports up to 5 12GB Class 10 cards or faster. The camera also includes USB cables, one short and one long, an adapter to power from your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, and a pair of stickers for mounting on your windshield dashboard, making it easy to transfer between vehicles quickly and easily. Garmin's smartphone app Drive allows you to configure settings such as recording quality, update firmware, and review recorded footage. Video quality is outstanding considering its size and price point. It shoots in full HD 1080p with HDR at 30 fps through a 140-degree lens, providing clear details such as road signs and car number plates, even in different lighting conditions or weather conditions. Audio recording is optional for further convenience. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best budget dash cams in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.